I have a workshop coming up. I'm also curious, what would you pay for a workshop? Is a workshop something that's like $49.95? Is that worth learning how to do napkins? Depends. I've taken some classes that price. I've taken classes more than that price. Maybe a class is worth 29 bucks to you. Would you be willing to learn decoupage for 29 bucks? Maybe, maybe not. How about $10 or under? How about 3 classes for $10 and under? That's what I'm doing, guys. I don't know if anyone's done this before. I don't know. So I started off by thinking it was going to be a one-night workshop, but there is just so much to learn. I have so much passion for decoupaging that I can't jam it into one night. And you're going to learn how to make so many projects. And we are going to learn how to take a simple bottle in your house and make it pretty. We're going to take things like a simple piece of cardstock and make a beautiful card. We're going to learn how to decoupage on candles. We're going to learn how to cut out smaller pieces of a napkin and decoupage it onto a bigger piece, a bigger work of art, let's say. We're going to learn how to build it on texture. Look at all that beautiful texture. We're going to decoupage on texture. Have you decoupaged on a dark surface yet? Because that's the number one thing that I've heard from most people is you can't decoupage on a dark surface. It has to be light. It has to be bright. It's a lie. You can decoupage on a dark surface. I'm going to show you how I do it, and I do it quite often. It's one of my favorite things to do because it doesn't have to always be a white background or a beige or a cream, you know. Let's liven things up. Let's add some color to our backgrounds. And I'm going to show you how. I sound like a commercial here, right? For a small investment of your peace of mind and your creative productivity, for 3 payments of, no, seriously, for like $10.79 Canadian, which is like $8 American, we're going to have 3 nights. You're going to hang out with a bunch of fun women here on Facebook. And we're going to create some absolutely gorgeous things. You'll be able to take napkins that you have in your own home, or the next time, you know, you walk through Walmart, you'll be grabbing some. And you'll create beautiful gifts or pieces of home decor. You just got to do it, guys. It's going to be so much fun. I don't know how to twist your arm anymore than just to tell you there's a whole bunch of us in there that are going to be having a lot of fun decoupaging. And I really don't think you want to miss it. So I don't know what else to tell you other than sign up now. The website link will be in the description, and you don't want to miss this. You're going to be learning Decoupaging 101. We're going to start with, you know, wet method, iron method. You name it, we got it. I don't want to give away all the secrets right now. So come on over. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below, and I will try to answer them, but things are a little busy right now because we're getting the workshop ready. And I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see you inside. Okay, bye, guys.